Welcome back to my channel. How to search for products and find suppliers. Sourcing products and finding suppliers is an important aspect of running any business. It's a crucial process that can impact the success of your business. Finding the right supplier can ensure that you have access to quality products at reasonable prices, which can ultimately translate into better profits. However, searching for products and finding reliable suppliers can be a daunting task. In this article, we'll discuss some tips and strategies for how to search for products and find suppliers. Identify the product you want to source. Before you start looking for suppliers, you need to identify the product you want to source. Start by researching the market, reading trade publications or industry reports, or by identifying a product gap that needs to be filled. This will give you a better understanding of what products are in demand and what type of suppliers you should be looking for. Use online marketplaces. Online marketplaces like Alibaba, Amazon, and eBay are a great place to start your search for suppliers. These platforms have a large number of suppliers, making it easier to find products and suppliers in one place. They offer a wide range of products, and you can search for products based on different categories, such as price, quality, and shipping options. When using online marketplaces, it's important to be cautious and conduct due diligence before making any purchases. You should read reviews and check the reputation of the supplier before making a purchase. Attend trade shows. Attending trade shows is another way to find suppliers. Trade shows offer the opportunity to meet suppliers in person, see their products, and ask questions. They are also a great place to network with other professionals in your industry. You can learn about new products, trends, and suppliers, and make valuable connections that can help your business grow. Search for directories. There are several online directories that can help you find suppliers. Some examples include Thomasnet, Global Sources, and Compass. These directories have a list of suppliers in different categories and industries. You can search for suppliers based on location, product type, and other parameters. When using directories, it's important to verify the credibility of the suppliers. You should check their reputation, read reviews, and look for any red flags before making a purchase. Contact manufacturers. If you know the manufacturer of a product you're interested in, you can contact them directly to see if they can supply the product to you or connect you with a supplier. Manufacturers can be a great source of information about the product, and they can also help you find suppliers who are reliable and reputable. Utilize social media. Social media platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook can be useful in finding suppliers. You can join groups related to your industry and network with other professionals to get referrals. You can also use social media to research potential suppliers and learn more about their products and services. Conduct due diligence. Once you've found potential suppliers, it's important to conduct due diligence before making a purchase. This includes checking their reputation, reading reviews, and verifying their credentials. You should also ask for references and contact previous customers to learn more about their experience with the supplier. In conclusion, searching for products and finding suppliers can be a time-consuming process, but it's an important aspect of running a successful business. By following these tips and strategies, you can find reliable suppliers who can provide you with quality products at reasonable prices. Remember to conduct due diligence and be cautious when making any purchases. With a little patience and effort, you can find the right suppliers for your business and take your operations to the next level.
First date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.